campers, ako nga pala si RM ng Kcam PH. Ang Kcam PH ay camper based from Zambales. So dito tayo nagka-camping sa Zambales. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Subi. Zambales, Bataan, Pampanga, mga malalapit lang. Pero nitong mga nakarang buwan, lagi tayong naiimbitahan. Nag-attend tayo ng Tagpuan 4 na ginanap sa Cavite sa Segundo Camp. Ayan. Ang event na yun ay pasimuno ng Camping Ideas Philippines at marami tayong naging kaibigan doon. Naging masaya at successful ang event. Congratulations kila Sir Mike Lista Vlog at kay Ma'am Jo at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Camping Ideas Philippines. After nun, nag-south na naman tayo. Kasama natin ang Walker, ang grupo ng mga camper na wala nang ginawa kundi mag-camping. Walker for Work, Camp, Repeat. Ayan, nag-camping tayo sa Marilaki. So, nag-south na naman tayo, no? But this time, pupunta tayo ulit ng south dahil na-invite tayo ng putihin nating kaibigan. Sama natin sa camping community, si Chicharon Camping, si Sir Charlie. Opening ng kanyang campsite, ang Charlie Nay Campsite. Kung nakita nyo yung intro guys at curious kayo, parang gusto nyong pumunta, manood kayo hanggang dulo dahil i-review natin ang campsite na yun. Ngayon lang tayo mag-YouTube guys. So sana masuportahan tayo. Maraming salamat. Ayan, time check tayo, no? Alas 2 na. At nandito pa lang tayo sa SPMA. So mga alas 7 siguro dating natin doon. Tayo naman takbong banayad lang. Papagas na rin muna tayo para dire-diretso na tayo mamaya. Berries Farm Church 5 hours. XCS po. Andun po sa likod. Ayan po. Apo, ipakiano mo na lang sir. Wala na po. Full tank po XCS. Apo.
Head northeast toward Rizal Highway, then turn right onto Rizal Highway.
Okay po. 5 hours and 23 minutes. So mga 8 na siguro to. 8 or 9. Okay, saktong 70 kilometers. Stop over muna tayo dito sa Shell and Lex para kumain at mag-inat-inat. Balik tayo mamaya. Update tayo, no? Inulan tayo dito sa may bandang Bulacan. So, hindi ko na na-video pero minto ako dyan sa may Shell of Asia. Pinasok ko lang tong mga mababasa dun sa likod. Ito yung mahirap kapag drop side yung gamit natin. Naabot na rin tayo ng traffic, no? Uwian na. So ang harap ng campsite, Hills and Berry. Opo. Parang taniman ng mga mulberries. Farm.
Way too quiet in the house. I'm just wasted on the couch. 'Cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye to.
Hello,
Hi.
state your name, please.
Christine.
Yeah, Christine, hi. Thank you for coming. We met at the Segundo,
Yes,
right?
we did.
Yeah, so we invited you. Thank you for coming. What are your thoughts? What can you say about the place?
It's a really nice place. Everything looks good, especially the restroom. The restroom are amazing.
Well, yeah, you had your restroom here, but there's one there. The
Yeah.
latest. Have you seen that?
That yeah,
Okay, but I think it's too far for you.
yeah.
Okay.
We prefer it that one, but yeah,
Okay.
it's really amazing. Especially the somewhat is that
The brook,
yeah.
okay. Did you know that the brook is murmuring? It's a murmuring brook. Nagsasalita yan.
Oh.
Listen to it, Asmir. The sound of nature, ASMR.
Mm.
Did you hear the birds chirping and the?
No, I was too drunk last night to do.
Oh, you know the insects are talking.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What do they say?
I don't know. I don't understand their
that?
language. Yeah, but the birds are, you
The
know,
ghosts here.
you're communing with nature.
Yeah, it is.
So what did you drink last night?
Jacqueline.
Jack Daniel.
Yeah, but overall it's really nice. This is the first time that I've driven this far. Because I'm just a new camper. I started April.
Okay.
And then this is the first time that I really drove 3 hours away. We're from Cavite.
We're in Cavite.
Amadeo.
Amadeo. That's
Yeah.
near Tagaytay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're both from Teka Beach.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Well, Cali.
Yeah. Okay.
California,
Yung isang kasama niya, hindi
California.
kasama, no? Yeah,
Hindi siya talaga nagka-camp.
Okay.
Ako kasi, more on solo camper talaga.
Oh, like me.
Yeah,
Oh,
I do solo all the time.
Have you been keeping up to date with my blog?
Yeah, I did.
Have you seen my latest
Yeah.
journeys there in Mount Ugo? And
Yes.
I still have one to upload actually. Yeah.
So for me, it's really nice kasi yung nature nandyan.
Yeah,
Makakapag-relax ka,
you're
makakapag-unwind ka,
communing with
makakapag-work
nature.
ka.
Yes, so there's peace, mapayapa. Yun. Oo.
Yung wifi, mabilis, remote worker kami.
Because if there's no Wi-Fi, just make Wi-Fi.
That's true.
Okay.
Or solar.
Oo.
Yan.
Buddy, thank you for coming again. Ha?
You're
At
welcome.
least you have this place all to yourself.
Yes.
Actually, pang moto camper to. Ayan, pwede silang dumaan, pero they prefer that area. Alam mo,
Oo nga, nakita ko nga daming
you know,
moto
it's a bandwagon thing. No? Eh, siyempre, gusto nung isa doon, lahat doon na. So, vacant to. Alam mo, kinakabahan ako, baka wala na kayong pwestuhan kasi nga, siyempre, you came kind of late. No?
Yeah,
Siyempre,
I thought it was originally 16. Pero sabi
it's
niya
16 to
17.
18. But you can stay here up to Monday.
Yeah, that's our plan.
No rush.
Naman.
Okay.
Monday morning, no?
Yeah, no problem. I'll still be here till Tuesday. Sige lang. Enjoy lang kayo. Chill. Just chill, okay? Sige.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
salamat ulit.
Pre, anong masasabi mo sa sa opening ng Camp Charlie Nay?
Ayos naman. Wala mo sabi, lahat masaya. Enjoy sila sa pagpasok pa lang. Unang entrada pa lang, maganda na makikita nyo.
Ikaw, enjoy ka naman.
Ayos naman, enjoy. Shoutout kay Idol.
Pag ganito talaga
Pick up,
dapat 4 days, 3 nights. Yung
Extend na tayo.
one day.
Ano.
Lahat. Mag-inom tayo bukas. Date ngayon.
Malamang mainit bukas.
Yung rabon niya dahil sa layo ng biyahe niya.
Okay, para sulit.
Tara!
Ano, Rizal na.
Si Camp Joy. Camp Joy tsaka si Don Ramon.
Patay mo na lang sa amin.
Pero honest review,
Kamusta?
1 to 10, i-rate mo tong campsite na Charlie Nay.
Hindi pa ako nakakalibot masyado. Pero
Yeah,
yung given na merong maayos na CR, tapos merong nag-a-assist sa'yo, tapos merong mga
Halika na. Ay,
outlet,
si Tito Pops.
tapos may starting pa. goods na goods. Tapos sinalubong ako ni Sir Charlie. Balik kayo dito.
Parang lasing. Hello po.
Kay Camp, si ano,